Okay, hi parents. I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough on how we do calendar every day, and then you can just refer back to this video as you go through your child's calendar binder, okay? So let me go through a little bit step by step. So when you turn to the calendar binder, you're going to see that we have all the different months. You're gonna flip to your child's back page and it will have the month that we're currently in. And you'll see that there is a color pattern for each of our months. And so you can start by having your child say aloud with you, let's check out our pattern and figure out what comes next. Yellow, yellow, green, yellow, yellow, green, yellow, yellow, green, yellow, and then pause and see if they can tell you the correct color. Obviously, I sent home their crayon boxes, so you're just gonna have them use the appropriate color to make an X on that date. You can also practice having them count up how many more days until a special holiday. How many days until St. Patrick's Day? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more days till St. Patrick's Day. That sort of a thing. Okay, so you're gonna start with that. The next component of calendar is going to be using our 100ths chart. Now, for this part, I recommend that you have your child take out their little bin here, little, pencil zipper case, because it has all the manipulatives that they're gonna need to do this. Now, so every day we obviously have a new day of school. Even though they're at home, this is counting as a school day. So every day I will email you and remind you, for example, that today is the 113th day of school. Okay, whatever day it is, that's the day we're going to show using the hundredths blocks. So come on back over here to the binder. Let's pretend that the day you're working on with your child is day number 113. So this part I usually do for them, so I recommend you do this. That's gonna be 100, 110, and 3 ones. Then you're gonna tell your children to show me 113, and they should take out the appropriate blocks. We're gonna need 1 of the hundredths, in this case, 1 of the tens, and 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. And then you have them count 100, 110, 111, 112, 113. That's our 113th day. Okay, so that's pretty self-explanatory. And again, I will email you every day and just let you know what day we're on, all right? And then the last component of the calendar that you can really do at home is going to be our number of the week. So usually I model it up here with a class helper, and I will let you know what number of the week we're doing for that week. Right now our week, it's number 31. So I usually write it here, but you're going to do it in their binder with them. So let's come back to the table. We're gonna use number 31. Again, your child will use their eraser and marker from their little pencil box. And I'm gonna turn this, I'm not so good at writing sideways. Okay, so our numeral, let's say this week, is 31. The number word is just spelled out. You can tell them to write 31. Some of them can actually do this. You might have to spell it out loud for some of them. Then tally marks, we're gonna show 31 tallies. And I always do it like this with them. We start with groups of 5 and count on by 1. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Then have your child count them for you. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31. Then tell them to show you how to do that with place value. So for 31, what number do you make in the 10 spot? They should write down a 3. What number do you put in the 1 spot? They should write down a 1. Then they're gonna turn the page. It's time for number order. The number before today's number. If our number is 31, you can then show them on the counting mat. Here's our number. What comes before it? And you can circle it if they need a little extra help. The answer is 30. Okay, we write 30. Then we're gonna use our eraser because we have to figure out the number after. What comes after 31? You can even draw a little arrow for them, 32. So you have the counting mat here as a visual to help you do this section as well as this section. For add and subtract, we always do plus 2 more and minus 2, which is less. So again, our number is 31. I usually circle it for them. Let's start with plus 2. 1, 2. We landed on 33. Okay, now we're gonna do minus 2. Remember, we're starting with 31. Minus means backwards. 1, 2. We landed on 29. Good job. And that's where we're going to end. Expanded form is something that I teach after spring break, and I am really hoping we will be back in the classroom by then. Okay, so that's a little bit about calendar, but of course, email me any questions. I will be available. Thanks.